Hi, welcome back to this section. In this section, I will show you the string interpolation Swift, what string interpolation means and how string interpolation works. Well, how does string interpolation work? Well, string interpolation is when so far I show you how you can type a string value directly inside the code, and now this part is to show you how you can interpolate a value inside a string. I mean, a value already been declared, you can interpolate it inside another value of a string, a variable string. To start, we're going to say var win score. Instead of saying, sorry, I will say win score, not win, because otherwise you cannot understand. Win score, and win score equal to, we assign that variable, and now we are assigning our variable win score to a ternary to an integer value. Okay, this is an integer value, and now we're gonna call this integer value inside a string. To call that inside a string, and that there comes from the word of string interpolation, because we are going to interpolate the integer value property inside the string. And to do that, you just need a backslash and parentheses inside the quotation, inside the quotes string, and we can say win score. And then if I run this code right now, you can directly see in the preview of my playground, you won this score 23. And this is all how you can do the string interpolation. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in more video, keep on watching, because I will come back with more basic. Thank you.